Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from RabbitMQ VPS queue data with backups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw data from a RabbitMQ VPS queue with backups, start by ensuring your RabbitMQ server is running. Log into your VPS using SSH. Use your terminal or SSH client for this process. Once logged in, check if the RabbitMQ service is active. You can do this by typing sudo system+status RabbitMQ server. If the service is not running, start it with the command sudo system+start RabbitMQ server. Next, confirm that your desired queue exists by accessing the RabbitMQ management interface. Open a web browser and navigate to http://your_server_ip15672. Log in using your RabbitMQ credentials. Once logged in, locate the queue from which you wish to withdraw data. Make a note of the queue name for later use. Now, let's back up the queue data. On your command line, use the following command to export the queue: RabbitMQ export/path/to/backup.json format equals replace /path/to/backup.json with your desired backup file path. Ensure you have RabbitMQ installed. If not, download it from the RabbitMQ website. After the backup is complete, you will be ready to withdraw data from the queue. To do this, use the command rabbit_list_queues. This command will display all the available queues and their message counts. Identify your specific queue and take note of its message count. Now, to withdraw messages individually, you can use the basic.get command. This command retrieves a message from the queue without acknowledging it. Enter the following command: RabbitMQ get queue equals your_queue_name requi equals false. Replace your _queue_ name with the name of your queue. If successful, this will return the message data from the queue. To withdraw multiple messages, you can implement a loop in your script. Use this format to repeatedly call the get command until the queue is empty. Optionally, if you want to automate this process further, consider writing a simple script. In your script, include error handling to manage situations where the queue might be empty. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.